Okay, hi everyone. Today we are making, what are we making?
We're making Nutella macaroons, so screw all you guys with food allergies.
Okay, yes, so we're making Nutella macaroons. So, we tried already once and it didn't go so well. So we didn't.
She made a mistake.
No, she did. Anyways,
she told me to put icing sugar.
I did no such thing. So this is take number 2. We didn't film the first time, but we're filming today because hopefully it's gonna turn out well and this will be a good video. So let's get to it. Oh my gosh. So Jen chose a bad recipe and we're finding another one now.
Not that stiff, but it's better than the last time, yeah. Kind of that.
Vanilla extract?
No, I wanted to save some of that because you can light it on fire. That's what meringue is.
Okay, let's do it.
You're so, like, use your finger. Just put it on.
Okay, yeah.
Where?
Here?
Oh, yeah.
Mom's gonna come out and be like, what are you doing? Oh,
Yeah, this is what I wanted.
yes!
Wait a second.
Yeah.
Oh.
What?
That was so good. Okay, let's continue with the cooking.
Practice to undress me when I become old.
I'm just gonna let you rot in your clothes.
Now we have to let this set for 20 minutes and then we can put it in the oven.
What's wrong?
Why are they like that? That's almonds. Almonds are like that.
Yeah, I think it's just because we made them too big. layers so they collapse in on themselves.
No, I think they look fine.
These don't look like macaroons.
But when you put them together, then they're macaroons.
Done.
Okay.
I quit.
Okay, we're gonna wait for these to cool, and then we're gonna put this in it. Is it better than the first time?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
What?
Good. I like it. If we ever try it again, I'll make them smaller. Whoa. That's the end of this video. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Do you have anything to say? What? Okay, bye guys.